Try to address you. Your neighbor one, our Catholic club, the governor of River State, taking beyond the target. For the country,
This project we are commissioning today is very significant to us. I used to say something. Truth is like a child delivered in the market. There is no way you can hide anything. I use the word very significant because we initiated this project in our most trying time. In our most trying time. I can't forget the circumstance we were facing at that time. We were commissioning the East-West Road, Emowa to Tema Junction. And that particular stretch, or would I say that corridor, the Obakri is part of an annex to it. The Tema, Abalama to Abonima, and the other stretch of it that leads to Buguma. And we said, it would be very nice that we commission this other stretch and we leave these other ones. And at that time, and at that situation that we were in, we made a promise, not just to the people of the Kalawari, but also to my dear people of Emowa and Obakri in particular, that we will visit those two aspects of the road. And I'm happy today, that we are here to commission the one that connects to the Obakri people. I use the word very significant because when we made the first payment for this project, it was when we had the first court judgment barring us from assessing or from the federal government transmitting our fund. But I made a promise when I came here that no matter the situation, that God will provide a way for us to finance this project. So when I say this project is very important and significant to us, I know why I said so. But let us leave the long story and dwell on the good part of today. We have come to show evidence of service delivery. We have come here to assure our people that we're a government that will make promise, will keep to I heard the request of the Council of Chiefs, the issue of the internal roads, so that it can extend to other areas where the original one did not cover. I also have taken note of the most beautiful part of their request, connecting a bridge from the other side to this side to ease transportation inconvenience, to better the commercial life of the people of Emowa and of Bakri in particular, and to also bring security faster to our people. I will go back, we will study the situation, look at the cost implication, and I assure you, it will get back to you as soon as possible. I also took note of the request of the elevation of your stool. That is very interesting. Maybe as a member, let me be selfish. I might want to do it so that, who knows, I might be the next first class chief from here. But the beauty of this whole thing is this. The community gave a very strong support to the contractor. The community have chosen the path of peace. That is the reason why you're seeing this level of development here. It is a community that was known over the years for crisis, loss of life. But I'm happy that your story is different. Let me assure you, to ensure that this decision that you've taken today to be in peace, to live in harmony, government under my watch will give you all the necessary support. I will not complete my speech today if I don't recognize one of your sons, who, there are many of them, but one in particular that have staked his head, has staked everything for me, for our government. Is it Chief David Omereji? Barrister David Omereji? The Almighty God will continue to strengthen you, strengthen all your supporters, strengthen all my supporters, strengthen you, because we have a big task ahead. And that task ahead, the task ahead is very simple. It might be big, but it's simple because we have started it already. By the special grace of God, yesterday, I paid a visit so that doesn't look as if I'm still a newborn baby. I went to visit the National Working Committee of our great party. And after the meeting, they gave me a message, which I'm giving to all of you. I'm going to give you the message. It's a very simple message. We know that you are very hardworking. We know that you have organic support. Transfer this support to the success of our leader, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu. And I told them in the meeting that they shouldn't worry, that what is important is we have the rightful soldiers. And today, I'm happy to say that with what I'm seeing here, with the support of the LGA, from the local government chairman, the chiefs, the traditional rulers, and everyone here, our job is 70% done. Let me conclude by making another request. Please, we need peace, not just in Obakri, not just in Emoa. We need peace in our dear states so that development can be extended to all parts of River State. People should learn to protect what is around them. You have a university here, protect the university. You have other things of interest by the state government and some federal assets. Protect them. At the end of the day, the benefit is not going to go to people in Opopo town. It's for you that is here. I'm appealing to every one of you. We need peace. We need to protect everything that is around us. That is the only way I can come happily. That is the way when you call me, I can dance and come here joyfully and make promises which by the grace of God, with the support of everyone, we will continue to deliver on that promise. Let me thank every one of you.